Needed net control.
Go ahead, K5 Archibald, there, Lake Skywarn net.
Just got word that Bologna Fire Department is asking for any help, any assistance with chainsaws to come to the Bologna Fire Department.
Okay. Anybody in the Bologna area that can assist the fire department in Bologna up there, they are requesting apparently some assistance for chainsaws, for trees, and etc. Archibald with the AR Link Skywarn net.
K5RQO from WA5BHW.
Go ahead, Bill, K5RQO.
I hear all of that report a minute ago about Bologna, but do they know if there were any injuries or fatalities up there?
George, have you heard of any injuries or fatalities in Bologna? Okay, Improv GC was the one reporting that, and I don't know, didn't say anything about that. I think trying to get chainsaws and everything in there right now to, but I don't know about injuries or anything.
Of any injuries, all I've heard of is the request for
assistance. The guy that was up there, we can't get in touch with him. We're just checking. WA5BHW.
Okay, appreciate that. Bill, he said he hasn't had any reports of any injuries at all, but everything's down, phone lines and power, and they are needing chainsaws. That's what they're needing right now. The National Alert Service, okay, that's flash flood warnings for several counties. W5NSU, go ahead.
Stand down up here at 7 and 8 Johnson Gate to the house. Do you have any other reports or anything coming this way?
Not that I know of. I believe there is a couple more sales I heard that was coming behind this, but I don't know how severe they're actually going to be. But it may just be rain and all. It's cooling down, but not real sure. But I did hear that possibly some. I don't have access to radar. K5 Archibald over there, Link Skywarn net.
K5RQO, K5RQO, W5TMK.
Go ahead, Todd.
Hey, Tim, we're over here on the east side of Cabot, and we're completely power out, no cellular, no nothing. So I don't know if you want to pass that on to W5TMK.
Appreciate it. That's about what we have down here, K5 Archibald.
MAN disconnected.
A5RWAU, back at K5 Archibald. K5 Archibald with the Airlink Skywarn net. Currently we have a couple active tornado warnings, I believe, up in the Jackson County, White County, Board of Independence County area at this time. K5 Archibald.
Net control, A5RW.
Go ahead, Randy.
Hey, I'm back, and Roger up there's reporting rain rapid tornado 2 miles from a gray. A5RW.
Okay, copy that. Also for damage report, the Washita School in Hot Spring County did receive some minor damage to the school around the gymnasium area. Minor damage. K5 Archibald.
Where were they needing chainsaws?
In Bologna, the Bologna Fire Department was asking for some chainsaws. K5 Archibald, just information, the Weather Service issued another severe thunderstorm warning for Prairie, White, Woodruff counties. 3 miles west of Hurricane Lake. Moving southeast at 50.
K5RQO, K5CEU Batesville.
Go ahead, K5RQO.
Want to check into your net, be one of the relay stations from Batesville in this area back. Not going through the Russell repeater and going directly to Little Rock to Batesville again.
Don't have the closest repeater is in Bradford if you need it, 146.745. But thanks for checking in. If you have anything up that way, well, please let us know. Looks like it's coming up your way. K5RQO with the AR-Link Skywarn net.
Correct myself. I am going through the Bradford repeater. Thank you. K5C.
Okay, copy that.
QO-T5 DPI.
Matthew, K5RQO.
The tornado, was it potentially on the ground in McRae or what? Because my brother lives in Kansas, and I'm trying to let him know what's going on up that way.
Negative. One was spotted at McRae, a rain wrap tornado, but it has not touched down.
The rain wrap tornado, but it has not touched down yet. All right, appreciate it. K5RQO, K5 DPI.
K5RQO with AR-Link Skywarn net. 85RW, K5RQO with AR-Link Skywarn net. Let you know, BBPD is reporting to the Weather Service via AWIND that they do have some structural damage, trees down all over the city of BB, and they do have some structural damage in the city of BB. K5RQO with AR-Link Skywarn net. Another station, go ahead, K5RQO with AR-Link Skywarn net.
E5NPR disconnected. RB net control.
Go ahead, Sam, K5RQO with AR-Link Skywarn net.
Power. In progress, RB.
Copy that.
I'm only 2 blocks away, and mine's been out for 2 hours. If I could out.
Okay, interesting. Ours has been out. We have no phone, power, or anything here this time. K5RQO with AR-Link Skywarn net. Net control AE5PM. Go ahead, Dave.
That last little power thing took us out too. We're just a battery now, and doesn't show any signs of coming back. It was a solid, just going out. No warning whatsoever.
Alrighty, I'm going to come back with all the trees down. I just sent some more trees down around Possum Trot and down your way, so I bet that's what did that. K5RQO with AR-Link Skywarn net. Getting a pretty good thunderstorm here now. Okay, the National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for East Central Flight, Northwest Woodruff, and Independence County. Once again, for East Central Flight, Northwest of Woodruff, and Jackson County, part of Independence County. A42, severe thunderstorm capable of a tornado 3 miles north of west, 7 miles east of Searcy, moving northeast.
Now fire back in Central, 85 PM.
Now we're back, power on in Central. Sam, do you have power?
I do not.
Okay, copy that. K5RQO with AR-Link Skywarn net.
K5RQO from KC5FAK.
Go ahead, John. K5RQO with AR-Link Skywarn net.
Okay, heard some reports earlier of trees and power lines down in Kamak Village. Did a little drive-through and did not find any of that. My neighborhood has full power. Can't tell that we had much more than just a good old brainstorm.
you, K5RQ. You get a chance, you look, tell us where any parts of the state, we got anything else coming after this, no, most of it's up in White County, Jackson County and all that right now.
85RW, yeah, I believe that's about it. We do have some rain moving through, especially in the southwest corner. But I don't see any warnings posted down there. So I think this will be it. We can get out of this northeastern part. 85RW.
Okay, cover that. It's cooling down, so maybe we won't have a repeat tomorrow. We'll have to see. K5RQ over there, Link Skywarn in.
Power again, 5SRB.
Yep, K5RQ.
Control, this is W5NLR.
Go ahead, Danny. Sorry, go ahead, Steve. K5RQ.
Okay, I've been dispatched to the state EOC, which has been activated, so I'm en route to the state EOC at this time, and I did see some trees down in Park Hill, and no traffic signals. You know, we have no power in Park Hill.
Copy that. K5RQ over there, Link Skywarn in.